and I'm the CEO and owner of Tinnitaid. With Tinnitaid, we're trying to fix the problem of tinnitus. So everything actually started when I had a ringing in my ears, or I thought it was in my ears, but it was actually in my brain. I spoke with my friend and co-founder George Kores, who is an active ENT doctor and a neurologist. He said that probably I have tinnitus. I didn't know what tinnitus was, so then we sat down, he explained what it is, and then we found that existing solutions for tinnitus have these problems. So first of all, the tinnitus therapy is a very aggravating process. It takes so much time, it's very annoying for the user. Also, the patients need to wear hearing aids, unfortunately, so they don't like wearing hearing aids just for tinnitus. The doctor doesn't get any data about the usage of the therapy that they suggested to the patient. The user cannot use the existing therapies with other entertainment solutions like Netflix, Spotify, or anything like that. And also, they are too expensive, 2,000 to 10,000 euros per patient. So we created the Tinnitaid solution. So it's an app. Actually, nowadays in Germany, doctors prescribe apps. So they prescribe you to download an app to fix your problem instead of medicine. So we want to be the first company doing that in Greece. So we created Tinnitaid. We have the retraining therapy in a gamified way. So we ping the user every now and then to use the app. The user can just use the existing hearing headset they have. They don't need a specific hearing aid. So initially we started the first version of Tinnitaid app, and we went for software as a medical device, creating a quality management system, thinking about the clinical trials and setting up all the framework about the clinical trials, and going towards the CE marking approach. And we created this app all about therapy and therapy and therapy. But then we made a very nice questionnaire along with EcoZani, of course, and we got 98 responses without giving any money away. And then actually we got some demographics data initially. Also then we wanted to figure out if there's actually a medical need for the application, and then the intent of the user, and also if our unique value proposition is strong enough. And actually, if you want, you can scan the QR code and answer the questionnaire right now. So actually, after all this amazing research we did, we created the second version of Tinnitaid, which looks way more modern, way more nice. It's more like a game. You have the strikes the same way as you do with Duolingo. You have the tuning, so the patient can actually tune the frequency of sound they're actually hearing right now. And then we have tailor-made therapy. We call it relief now because we don't have the clinical trials. But the patient gets relief based on their exact frequency of sound they are hearing, their exact tinnitus frequency. And also the doctor gets statistics about the usage of their patients. You can download it in Google Play on Apple Store also. Please join us to make tinnitus treatment better. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.